Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today is Sunday in the morning and I have this plantain here that has been sitting in my fridge for a week now, and I've seen that it has overripe, so I'm just going to make good use of it by making a very popular snack in Ghana, which is usually eaten at any time of the day. So I'm just going to cut off the ends of the plantain, then later I'll take off the peels and then cut it into the shapes or the sizes that I want. I have my baby girl here with me. The other two boys have gone for Arabic studies, so I'm left with my baby girl around. So in order to convince her so that I can cook peacefully, I had to put on some cartoon songs for her. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. This plantain snack is called KELEWELE in Ghana, and it is eaten with peanuts. It is so delicious and nutritious too. So I'm just cutting it to the shape that I want. After cutting this into the shapes that I want, I'm just adding some ginger powder, some chili pepper, some salt. So this is the chili pepper. I'm just going to add salt and also garlic powder. These are powdered spices, but if you have the fresh ones, you can blend or grind them and add it to your plantains. So I'm just using my spoon to mix it together so that every part of the plantain gets the spice. This is very nice to eat. Please do try it and you will not regret. So now what I'll do is that I'll place my pan on fire and then I'll add some oil into it. So I'll just give some time for this oil to heat. Then I'll just gently add in my chopped plantains and I'll keep on stirring so that it doesn't over fry or it doesn't get burnt. You just have to monitor it so well. If not, it will burn and you will not enjoy your kelewele. Growing up, we used to buy this every day. There was one woman by a popular junction where we used to go and buy this in the night. So now the color has changed to this golden brown. So I'm just going to remove it and then fry the rest of the chopped plantains. Ghana has a lot of delicious delicacies, and when you check on this channel you see that I have lots of videos on the foods that we make in Ghana. So yeah, if you try them out, you are not going to regret it. So now that I have removed this, I'm just going to add or fry the remaining plantains. And this one too, I'll continue to monitor it closely so that it will turn out so well for me. So see how the first batch is. And now the second batch too is done. I'm just going to remove that one too and let it cool But I'll wait for my kids to come back from Arabic study so that we can enjoy it together. Please, I would love to read your comments in the comment section below. I'll also be listing the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box. Please do try to check it out, and please try to leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be glad to see it and say thank you for watching this video. So now I'm done with the frying. So the next thing is to get rid of my peanut skin, because I'll be pairing it with the KELEWELE. So this is what I'm just doing. I'm just trying to get rid of the peanut skin, and then I'll pair it with the KELEWELE. So you can see this snack is loaded with so many nutrients. So I'm just adding some of the peanuts, and this is how it goes. A very beautiful delicacy from Ghana, popularly called KELEWELE. So yeah, this is it. My kids are back now, so we are enjoying this together. I hope you have enjoyed your stay on this channel. See you next time. Bye.